Hey, so we're still over here at the Windcreek Wetumpka over here. So we had a live video this morning. Thank you for everybody that joined in and commented and had a little fun with us while we was driving over. So you got the 60 to 360 on this one. This is the Yardbird. This is a cute little game. I'm hoping it'll show you the bonuses and stuff like that. This game right here makes me laugh. It makes me laugh. So we're gonna get the volume maxed out. So we're gonna start with the $3.60 bet. Just right off the bat. This is a cute little machine, especially when the bonuses kick in, the little foxes and the eggs, and I don't know, it just makes me laugh. So drop back on the bed a little bit. Looking for my bingo card. Here it is. Oh, look at there. We got the 15 in the top left corner already when I sat down here. Ty, you been over here playing this machine? We're going to change the bets up a little bit. Just bouncing around from $1.20 up to $3.60. Just bouncing the bets around right now. See if I can get the machine. The machine ain't doing nothing right now. Go, come on. All right. Got to get warmed up, get the chickens moving around. I haven't played this game, so I don't know if that means anything. I don't think that means anything. Nope. Just look cool. And I'm bad about reading the menu. Five jackpots is $10,800. Okay. And I just imagine that that's on the max bet. Normally that's the way that works. This thing ain't giving me no bonuses or nothing. Go 240. So, and I'm just bouncing my bets around right now, y'all. I'm gonna change my bingo card up. Get my, I'm gonna try my 7 and 11s. There we go. I got the 7, 11, and 13 over there on the left-hand side. Let's see if that really. Oh, he's hitting it. Come on, then. I hear you. A little $11.88. The rooster got mad up there. Like I said, this is a cute little game. Probably ain't gonna give me none of the doggone bonuses. My luck. Also, my daughter's gonna be taking a cruise. We're gonna try to get y'all some content from the casino on the cruise line. Come on now, don't be so greedy. Mercy. Change bingo card up a little bit. Change the bed up a little bit. You just never know. You never know. But yeah, if you're ever over here at the casino, you get a chance to play this. It's a cute game to play. I'm just not getting any of the bonuses right now, but we may still get some. Can't give up. Ah. Come on now. Come on. Mercy. Lord, Lord, Lord. Don't be greedy. Yeah, there's some wild. We got us a $43 win. Maybe the chickens are waking up. They'll lay us some eggs. Damn rooster that doggone rooster needs to get in there and kick them around a little bit. Come on now. All right. Mercy. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. Little $8 win. Oh. Mercy. Come on now. Well, there he goes, bouncing around. Knock out some more wilds. Nice win. So we got a $28 win there. So. Oh, there he goes again. There you go. Come on. Light him up in there. Got a $24 win. Well, he needs to get up there and bounce around some more. So I guess when he comes out, he's getting ready to bounce on the machine a little bit. I ain't really been paying attention to him. It'd be nice to get them 5 jackpots across there. Come on back out there, rooster. Mercy. All them wilds and nothing matched up across there. I'm gonna change the bingo card up again. A $27 win. So got the 11 down in the bottom left corner right now. I don't know if that really makes a whole big difference, but you never know. You just never know. Come on now. Don't be greedy. Mercy. Fox. Oh, $10 win. Come on now. You gotta love slot machines. Changed the bingo card. It's been teasing me with the bonus ever since. Staying on the max bet just because it's been teasing me with it. And anyway, I was hoping to be able to show y'all some of the bonuses on this, but Not at this particular time. It didn't want to do it. So anyway, this is the Yardbird. This is Yardbird 3 actually. Again, it's a pretty good machine. If the bonuses kick off, it's a fun machine to play. It's funny to watch. Has a couple different little things that you do. But y'all check it out. Windcreek Wetumpka over here in Alabama. Stay tuned for more content. Thank you.